Good morning, traders. This is Alpha Fibonacci software with ultimate precision. No speculation, no gambling here. This is a short prior that shows you precise entry, precise stop, precise targets. What is extremely important moment in this chart? Pay attention, please. This SRZ means reversal zone, 4130 level. Guess what? This is not little baby level. This is institutional buy point. With the power of the system, you know this. Days, weeks, hours, months and years in advance. All depends on chart you trade. So when market reversed instantly from this level at the close, this was expected. So this is key day trading chart in front of you this morning. This is how you strategize and trade every single day. If I convert this chart to 5, this is the market as expected in overnight session. If I convert this chart to 10 to 15 to any chart you choose to trade, this is the response. You never short near institutional buy point. You are not a gambler. You are not a speculator. You are not a trigger happy cowboy. You understand extremely clearly. Success will never come from number of trades. Success will come from quality of trades. So when you strategize as intelligent trader, you knew far in advance. This is not the place to short near. This is key institutional buy point. Response at this level will determine markets for months and even years to come. So vicious buying is on and market skyrocketing again. We can be stuck between these two levels for a long time. Again, historical event in front of you as expected. Buying is on. Intelligent trader never shorts near this level. Intelligent trader shorts from key resistance. And again, you know this with Alpha Fibonacci System and your brilliant effort on all platforms, all instruments in advance. If I take you back to what played out in the last few months, here we go. Let's go back all the way to May 31st. We are at the bottom, buyer step in. This is coming from this chart. All details in every Thursday class. This is a stunning place to be, stunning place to buy from. Number of trades exponential because massive orders sitting and waiting here at the end of June. Day trading is a dream when institutional orders being filled. Ultimate institutional buy point. And again, you know this in advance. You come to classes. If you can come to classes, you view videos 24/7 and apply the rules. We're no longer at the bottom. We're drastically higher. Drastically higher. So the events in front of you this morning are absolutely critical, crucial. And when the price reached key level last week, no one should be surprised. Vertical bullish rally reached key institutional brick wall. Day trading brutal. Why? Pullbacks are worthless for days. Market in chop. This week was one of the most challenging weeks to day trade on record. With a single glimpse, intelligent trader knows very well why. And when the market finally starts pulling back, this is By far the best place to be. And that's a brilliant, intelligent, strategic system that you can apply to all instruments. And each and every morning you start with this chart. Because you trade, you think, live and breathe as top 1% does. Institutions do not trade little junky charts. Institutions do not trade little baby levels. Institutions holding positions for months and years. And again and again and again. Here we go. Key level in front of you right now. Day trading brick wall. This is your trading range. Software telling you that. Without software, you simply identify this before the trading day. Response at this level in day trading is crucial. You are not entering into this level. By the time price reaches this level, you are in significant profit and you're moving your stop outside of break-even. So remember all the discussions about the bold pink line? Remember how crucial this moment is? So if price will collapse back down to this level, it's a gift. Again, this plays out on every single chart. No speculation, no gambling here. We discussed with students before market open that this is key brick wall to the upside. So price collapses, it's a gift. It's a beautiful news. Lower is better. If not, if price stuck in such weakness, not a good thing. Here is where you want to be. So if you remember a reversal on 2-minute chart with the software, this is stunning reversal on daily chart from institutional buy point. Massive, massive, massive points of entries as we discussed with students in the class. To the upside, this is a critical brick wall. This is a key. All identified in advance. We have horrific bearish news, drastically lower than expected. PMI, extremely important news, 44.1 versus 49.8. In addition, PMI bearish as well. So why in the world is this playing out? Tell me. Are you shorting near these levels? Or do you understand the importance of this moment? This is key, this is critical in your trading. If trading on the news worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. Institutional buying is on. The only obstacle that's left is this level. This is your trading range. This is simplicity. This is purity. This level is out, market will skyrocket. This is the key. So when you know your trading range before each and every trading day, pain stops, stress stops. You trading markets as Alpha Fibonacci chess. So here's a scanner at this moment. You choose the trade that's appropriate for you, your account size, your risk management. Every single trader in the course, different account. Every single trader in the course, different background. But again and again and again, every single thing that played out in front of you, identified by the system in advance. The only obstacle that's left is a bold red line. That's it. Institutional buying is on. Again, these levels are out. Bullish rally will skyrocket. Market always and forever moves one step at a time. This is for intelligent trader taking profits off the table and moving stop outside of break-even. What is a concern? Bold red line traders. Do not forget this part. This is not a single tick. This is the zone. It is very close. Do not ignore this moment, please. As again, price can do these moves back and forth non-stop. Again, software projected on 2-minute chart. Key moment. In the course you learned that this is crucial critical target. In the course you learned that you cannot speculate. You strategize as intelligent human being does. Can you drive? Can you stay in your lane? Then you can trade. This is institutional buy point. Orders sitting and waiting well before the news. This is a lesson. Horrific bearish news, double the news. Institutional orders sitting and waiting to be filled. And that's the ultimate lesson on strategic, intelligent way to trade all markets on all events with proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system. So if the price will keep doing these moves back and forth, you are not surprised. You protected your account. You are not a gambler. You are not aiming for random targets. You understand this is a key. This is crucial part. Red line remains an obstacle. Flawless, spectacular reminder in front of you. Do not ever speculate. Do not ever gamble with your money. No institutional buy points. Horrific bearish event. S&P skyrocketed 20 points. This remains key moment. We remain at the red zone. Massive, massive brick walls in front of you. Again, if you took this trade, you're adjusting your trail very, very close. 41.46 is a must. So what's important to recognize, 99% of traders I worked with in 12 years love to short. And when I share extremely important moment about institutional traders and how they think and how they trade, everything changes. Because institutional traders, only 1 out of 100 allowed to short. This is what you see in front of you every day. No matter how horrific the crash is, market will be bought. Bigger the crash, more spectacular the rally. No institutional buy points. With Alpha Fibonacci system, you know that all you have to do, make an effort. It's exact same thing Tom Brady does. It's exact same thing Serena Williams does. It's exact same thing every doctor, every professional athlete, every accountant, every dentist, in order to become successful, does. Make an effort. Turn off your gambling switch. More trades will never make you more money. More trades will make more money for your broker. Quality trades only, trades with institutions only, is how you trade the markets. And that's a picture-perfect bearish news event in front of you with institutional buy point. Price reminds you this again and again. With Alpha Fibonacci rules, you are not surprised. You knew this well before market open. You knew this days in advance. That 4100 level is a crucial institutional buy point. So again, traders, S&P frozen at the bold red line. Price reached RZ, reversal zone, bold red line. If price is not crashing through, we can be stuck here. If price collapses to this level, it's a gift. Again, spectacular bullish rally. 20 plus points reversal instant despite double bearish news. Showing you clearly, only if you trade with institutions, you become successful. So here we go. What does the intelligent trader understand with a single glimpse? Vicious buying is on. Bearish trade, counter trend move. Bearish trade, aggressive move. Caution, please. So again, price reached the bold red line. No one is surprised, correct? We discussed far in advance that this is your trading range. And again, if you're deciding to short, it's a counter trend move. What is the price showing you? It's a crawl, it's a pain. Key moment identifies weakness. It's a crawl. Counter trend move. This is what happens if you decide to trade against institutions. So what happens to the trader who decided to take counter trend move? My goodness, it's such a stressful moment when in a single glimpse you should absolutely clearly know it is counter trend move. It's painful, it's crawling, it's neurotic, it's not crashing and collapsing. This is your trading range. Support just shown you. This is key, crucial key moment to the downside. Neurotic crawl is on, as expected, on counter trend trade. That's what happens if you decide to trade against institutions. That's what happens if you decide to short the markets with clear counter trend move. Buyers picking up this theme. So again, what do you see on this chart? Bold pink line identifies bearish weakness. So when you decide to trade against institutions, trading becomes painful. This is a very powerful reminder. Jerky, spiky moves. Very, very painful. 4 minutes. 4 minutes that can feel like eternity. That's what happens if you decide to trade against institutions. Bold pink line is critical, crucial, as we will review next on multiple instruments. This is exact same thing that playing out currently on Netflix. Day trading not for everyone. When I work with you in private mentoring, I assess you, I test you, I quiz you, I give you homework. Exact same thing played out on Netflix. Identical level. You are not waiting to see. You see it clearly in the trading room. You stop outside of break even. If you took this short, please. This can last for a long time. This is key day trading brick wall in front of you. Trade only pain-free. Do not create stress in your body. Do not create stress in your mind. Is everyone seeing how important this moment is? Is everyone clear? There is no crash and collapse. There is crawl. Here's identical level on Tesla where buyers came from. You look at the charts once a week. And again, if I take you back to this chart, as I worked with Richard, incredible trader who applies Alpha Fibonacci System on Tesla via options. Here we go. We discussed response on Tesla at this level will determine Tesla for years and months to come. How viciously Tesla was bought at this level is no surprise. Tesla no longer at the buy point. Tesla currently at reversal zone. You know how to manage your position on Tesla. You understand? This is your trading range on Tesla. Tesla overextended. Remember the reversal zone on the trade? And again and again and again. Look at the response. What trader are you? Do you trade with institutions or do you trade against them? Painless trading if you trade with institutions. Excruciating trading if you trade against them. This chart telling you so. When institutions trading, market is flying. When retail junk is present, market is scrolling. That's it. It's simple. And that's a lesson on trading with institutions during bearish news. So please do self-assessment. As we discussed, that 4100 level is institutional buy points for weeks. We discussed that market can be stuck between 4100 to 4300 for weeks, even months. Institutional orders sitting and waiting to be filled well before double bearish news. This is a lesson on very junky short, on little retail nothing. So what kind of trader are you? Are you determined to short the markets, go to war every day? Or are you strategic, intelligent trader who understands only if you trade with institutions, only if you trade the importance of these levels, you trade pain-free. That's it. You never short near this level. Institutional longs sitting and waiting to be filled. And that's well before extremely bearish news. Bitcoin, the hype is on. Michael Saylor on every podcast. Buy, 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 buy Bitcoin. It's unbelievable what's been happening during 2021. Do you remember that? So, have you seen all the hype by celebrities about crypto buying? When you look at the list, Matt Damon is a front row. Got paid the most for all the crypto commercials. All of them became a laughing stock. Absolutely. So if you felt like a fool because you did not buy Bitcoin, what is the lesson? Exact same lesson as this news, correct? Market keeps skyrocketing higher and higher and higher with the Alpha Fibonacci system you uses far in advance. Institutional orders sitting and waiting to be filled. This is a lesson. This is lesson as well. And if I remind you, this is the funniest thing. Exact same people who've been hyping buy Bitcoin because it's not under any government regulation, now begging government to regulate Bitcoin. So this is a couple that lived in the building right next door to New York Stock Exchange. Exact same guy who was providing security for crypto fund stole 8 billion. Oop, and it's still not being recovered. And they done it for years and years and years. The only thing that's secure in this world is your brilliant brain and your brilliant effort, not the hype, not the noise, not the news. So Michael Saylor can afford to lose 6 billion in one day. Oops! Look at that event. Exact same guy who's been hyping Bitcoin everywhere can afford to lose 6 billion in a day. If you cannot afford to lose 6 billion in a day, you must make an effort. So here we go. This is brilliant move by intelligent trader. 7.5 points long on S&P. 7 points on S&P, $50, 1 lot, $350, 10 lots, $3,500, 20 lots, $7,000. It is absolutely your personal decision how many lots you trade. Your workday less than 1 hour. You are done. That's it. Extremely bearish news. Brad did not hesitate to go long because Brad understands the importance of trading with institutions, riding only volatility of the news, not the noise, not the hype. If trading on the news worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. It does not. What works is trading with institutions when it means against news all the time. And that's the events of this morning. Again and again and again. Since extremely bearish event, market is up 30 plus points. So here we go, traders. Let's close out for today, but let's take a look on euro and pound first, shall we? So my apology, I did not finish Bitcoin. As I've been warning you for years, buyers are extremely weak on Bitcoin. Bitcoin will be stuck at this level for a long time. Caution, please. This chart is telling you not anytime soon Bitcoin will be skyrocketing to 100. Not in this life. Unlike Michael Saylor and many others been hyping Bitcoin, been telling you, when Bitcoin collapsed 70%, reminding you, only you can make a decision with your brilliant effort where to buy, where to sell Bitcoin. Euro. Euro at historical level in front of you, 99. Euro oversold. And again, if I remind you chart on euro from 7 years before, you knew this many years ago if you used Alpha Fibonacci System. Pound testing 117. This is your trading range on pound. All of these instruments, identical rules. You decide what's appropriate for you and your account. Simplicity remains the key, no matter if you trade Tesla or Apple or Netflix or euro or pound. But no matter what you do, you have to make an effort. You have to obey the rules. And if you can drive, you can trade. As Alpha Fibonacci rules show you where your lane is, where you must remain. And that's again and again and again, simplicity and purity in front of you. Target RZ reversal zone, bold red line, not the place to buy, the place to exit your long. After all, bold red line is reversal zone. Remember that part? And again and again and again, market being bought from reversal zone. That's it. So if you're done chasing, speculating, gambling, trading the news, the hype, the noise, and you're ready to trade as strategic, intelligent trader with institutions and not against them, I look forward to working with you. Please review everything on the website, students' podcast, students' performance, students' reviews. See what traders accomplish in US and globally. Traders from complete beginner to hedge fund managers trading the system in US and more than 50 countries across all instruments, across all platforms. And then choose the option appropriate for you. Private mentoring, the most desirable option, savings up to $1,000 currently, includes all group courses, video library modules, lifetime software for Ninja 8, and lifetime system for all platforms. But do please speak with me first if this is the option you are considering. Third option, also private mentoring system for all instruments, but this option does not include software for Ninja 8. The previous two options, second one is the most popular option. This is a group course. Everything on website fully automated. The moment you join us, you can start viewing videos 24/7, modules, come to classes when you can. We have students in South Africa, New Zealand, Australia, students who cannot come to live classes, students who work full-time. They simply view videos, over 300 videos from prior live classes you can enjoy at your convenience. Again, any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. I live and breathe what I do. I'm very proud of what I developed and what I've been teaching to traders for the last 12 years. Simply click on Contact Us section and call or email me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much. It's been my joy and honor to present you system this morning in the live markets that overrode all major news once again.